What is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. Non-fungible means it is unique and cannot be duplicated. Physical currency like the $1 bill is fungible because every $1 bill has the same value and can be replaced with any other. Cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin is also fungible because every Bitcoin has the exact same value and can be traded for any other Bitcoin. An NFT is a digital file that represents physical or digital assets. These assets can be artwork, real estate, music, gaming content, and more. Because each NFT is different, the buyer of the NFT has the exclusive rights and ownership of it. NFTs are bought and sold online with cryptocurrency using a digital or crypto wallet that supports NFTs. NFTs are not cryptocurrency, but like cryptocurrency, NFTs are built on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a digital database where NFT transactions are verified and stored and distributed across a network of computers. Each new block of data or digital file is linked to a unique digital asset, and a new NFT is created. The difference between NFTs and cryptocurrencies is that cryptocurrency is currency with economic value and can be traded for another. NFTs are digital files that represent digital or physical assets that cannot be duplicated. NFTs give artists and content creators a unique opportunity to profit from their work more efficiently and reducing the chance of fraud of their works. It allows buyers the exclusive right to collect and own the original copy of a digital file, like owning an original piece of art. Like all investments, NFTs have risks. The value of an NFT can be very unstable. Always do your research before investing. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.